Yiddish was part of the Jews who were, they weren't heroic, they weren't athletes, they weren't farmers. And in Israel, you're going to be all those things. You're going to be strong, you're going to be competent, and you're not going to be seen as weak or feeble or even feminine if you were a male. Ben-Gurion allowed one newspaper in Yiddish. There were a number of Hebrew newspapers, and I think that they dealt with it. They dealt with it by having one, and there was some, I don't remember, conflict about that. But it took a lot of politicking to get a newspaper in Yiddish. The language certainly was not taught. It isn't now either. But they were trying to get it was a moment where I think they really wanted to get out of the ghetto and out of Eastern Europe. That was the Israeli was the new Jew.